Michelle, and this is Makeup or Breakup blog. And today I'm so excited because I just got my FabFitFun fall or autumn for autumn box, and I'm so excited to dig in and see what's in there. I got some good add-ons too, so won't you join me? First and foremost, if you've viewed my channel at all, especially with my unboxings of FabFitFun, I have propensity for not just makeup, hair care, and skincare, but also for certain aspects of fashion. One in particular that I love, hats. And not just like a baseball cap you throw on your head and keep it moving. There are times when FabFitFun has these add-ons where if you just find the most interesting, eclectic things. I've always said that FabFitFun is a true lifestyle box. It's not just for makeup or for skincare or for this. It's very much a lifestyle box. I'll post the link to my various incarnations and videos, forms for FabFitFun, so you can check out my previous unboxings. So this one I'm really excited about. This is from a company called Summer and Rose, and they tend to feature now and then with FabFitFun. And what's awesome about FabFitFun is that they tend to focus on female-fronted, female-owned companies. So that's my first thing. Two, they also tend to tie in their each box they come out with some sort of charity organization that's doing greater good for the world. Okay, but is that cute or what? It has a little fuzz on it, but that's okay. This from the packaging. Get a little detail here at the end. Is that snazzy or is that snazzy? Oh God. Let's see if I can try this on. I don't want to put it completely on my head because I have a ponytail on, but you get the idea. I am so ready for the fall. It's not even funny. This looks really, really good. Okay, so the next thing that was in the box that I got today, this is an add-on, because I know it was one of the choices, but I couldn't choose between this and one other add-on, so I ended up ordering it anyway. And one of the features was from this company called Mason Collection, and I believe this is Parfum d'Ambiance. Okay, Solstice. I believe this may be the diffuser. This is the container. So you put these little sticks, I guess you imbue them with the liquid that I just showed you on the sticks, and then you put the sticks in here, and then it's supposed to go into the air and make it smell pretty. I'll put the price here as well. I'm so excited to try this. Feels very luxe. Again, it's from Pottery Bar. Interesting. Wow, I can't, I'm just playing with the bubble wrap because I like to play with bubble wrap and helps with the stress level a little bit. I got this set. This is from Sasha Juan. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. And I love, they have several different versions of the shampoo and conditioner. The one I got last time was for curly hair specifically. the scent on this is incredible. But again, if you're someone who's not into scents, this won't be for you. But this is these are full size. This is how, at least what I've come across. I don't think they make a bigger size. But this is called anti-pollution. So I got the anti-pollution shampoo and conditioner. All right. And this is, yes, the FabFitFun Autumn 2021 box. I'm a little bit excited. Yeah, it has weight. Oh my goodness. I can't wait to open this and find out what's inside. It feels like Christmas has come early. Let's see. Is it just me or am I uber excited that I see rice in there? Yes, I think that's rice. Nice. And that's a cute pot. What? This is oh so cute. Okay, so as you know, it features all the selections that could have possibly gone into your box, barring customization. If you're a member, you may get a choice depending on if you pay for the full year up front or quarterly. If you pay for the full year up front, you get more say in the customization. If you don't and you're quarterly, I think you get at least you get 3 choices that you can make. Plus they have a refills feature. Did you know that FabFitFun has a refills feature? Like if there's certain things that you bought in the past or recent past, they'll send you a helpful little reminder when you're going in to click to place your order. Oh, you know, like you ordered this in the past, you need a refill. And I'm like, oh, that's handy. That's, in some ways, some people might find it a little creepy, but for me, it's a little handy. So I'm looking at all these cute things. Kate Somerville, R&Co, Ahava. Oh, that's not right. Oh my goodness. And also, they give flash sales. I wonder when the next one's coming. It doesn't say. Not yet. Okay. But if you're a member, they will tell you. So let's see. Healing through art. Art in action. This is the organization I think they're working with for the autumn box. We all discovered different ways to cope during the pandemic the past year. For many kids, discovering the joy of drawing, sketching, and painting was a healthy coping mechanism. I just heard my mother in my ear going, and reading. It's very important to read. Unfortunately, schools in under-resourced communities have had to cut back or eliminate their arts program entirely. In response, Art in Action is doubling its efforts to ensure that all kids have access to art as a tool for expression and creativity. They believe art is fundamental for childhood learning and development. I agree. It's a right that all children deserve. They say it lowers anxiety and stress, improves self-esteem and critical thinking aptitude, improved focus, reduced aggressive behavior, and enhanced social, emotional skills development. Art saved my life, I will say that. For junior high and high school, I would not have gotten through school if it wasn't for art. And I took art classes and had incredible teachers that allowed me to be creative, allowed myself and my fellow students to express ourselves, and encouraged us to come out of the box and get over our shyness a little bit and focus what we felt we couldn't say into our art. So I do believe art, creativity on any level, something that doesn't hurt others, just expressing yourself. This to me is vital for every human being on the planet. So let's see, what else do we have here? Back to this. Oh, and they give recipes, very nice. Back to the box. Can't get off my soapbox and get back to the box, I understand. Press rewind on summer hair damage. Yeah. Didn't see the beach. Nope. Ooh, now it says autumn yum and it gives recipes. Nice. I'm loving that. Autumn was never my favorite time of the year. Autumn was always that time of year for me where I could start getting a little sad and a little withdrawn, because in the fall, yeah, you know, school's starting. Okay, you know, for some people it's yay, other people not so much. But it was the whole sense of the days were getting shorter, there was less sunlight, the leaves started to fall off the trees, a chill started to form in the air. And I think that, you know, I didn't know what the word for it was. Now it's called seasonal, you know, disorder, SAD, S-A-D, I'll put it here. And it was always around this time of year, around September, October, was when I'd sort of fall in like a little sadness, like, oh, you know, the sun is coming out is for less hours. It's rising later and setting earlier. It's starting to get chilly. And there's something sad about seeing all the green turn to brown. Even though there's beautiful colors, it's temporary for a couple of weeks and then it's gone. At least here in New York City it is. The first thing I see in here is from Zoe Isla. And this is a eco-friendly comb set. Oh, nice. What? 2 combs. Eco-friendly comb set. This is so cute. It says these combs are environmentally friendly and perfect for all types of hair from curly to straight. Okay. This set includes both a large tooth comb and a small tooth comb with soft rounded teeth, making it easy to detangle hair and preventing breakage. Amazing, amazing. Exactly what I need. Exactly. I wish I could put this in every person under every person's Christmas stocking. Oh, but you know what I mean. I'm definitely gonna use this. It's not like I don't have a wide tooth comb. I do. I'm just noticing that my hair is just can use all the help it can get. You know what I mean? And if it's something that's eco-friendly, why not? Interesting. Okay, here is, it's like a baby pink. What is this material, I wonder? Oh, and there's a second one in there. I can get it out. Oh, nice. Oh, I like this. This is very practical. I could put this in my shower. It feels like plastic, but they're saying it's eco-friendly. I will go on the website, look this up, and I will post the information here. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. And if you haven't done so already, hit that like button, and even better, hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll know my next video will be up. Thank you so much for watching me, and I hope to see you on my next video adventure. Take care. Stay safe.